Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on the display, which is on the 4th position. Now we have to scroll down and find screen timeout option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from, so we can set 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Now we've got 2 minutes applied because it is marked, but if you want to change it, just tap on the time you want to use. For example, 10 minutes. Let me tap on 10 minutes, and as you can see, from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.